Hello, we welcome back to Vega's channel, and right now we're going to be coding. Okay, right here we're going to go to PyCharm. We're in PyCharm, so basically I open it, and then we're going to head to Jupyter. This is Jupyter, which is IPYNB. So basically that is it. So to install it, you need to write pip install. Since I already have it right here, it's the requirement already satisfied, and you can just copy this pip install Jupyter Notebook. So we copy and paste right here. Okay, right there it's saying the same thing. Open browse is just basically going to open the browse. If we click it, it's going to directly show us our Jupyter Notebook. Basically, it will show you the IPYNB, and also will show you the CVS, and wait, some of the thing we import, like picture if we import it or something like that. For example, this one, we import some image. We open right here. I create this, and this will be another video. Or for example, this one. Oh, it's the same thing. Let's see. Oh, and also it will show you this, the PY. PY means basically what it means. I will make it simple is just Python. So some of the things it will be right here. Some of the things of the Python wouldn't be right here. So this is how it looks like. So right here we have our data. Right here is a way for you to call something and just put your CVS right here. So right here I have it. Since we start something, I'm going to show you what I did. Right here it's just basically it will show you the figure and what is the figure size. I put PLT show to name. You need to name it right here, and right here. Okay, right now we are going to go. Okay, right here we're going to import. Okay, we're going to import Seaborn. So basically, to do that, if you don't have so, you just put pip install the name. So it's going to install. Since I already have it, it said the requirement already satisfied. Just for those people who doesn't have install, you can install and just it would say something else. Since I have it, we are going to look back our guidance to make just a little trick to do so. Basically, you can do this. PyCharm is very cool. This is a good method for you to see other code and just input it right here. Okay, what am I missing? Okay, this one is not it. Okay, and then where is it? Okay, right here is our. Okay, right here. Then we're going to put CSN. You see the difference between PyCharm and Jupyter? Completely Python. what I'm talking about. Python and Jupyter, that is completely different. Right here, you see we have to put print, and right here in Jupyter, you do not have to put print every single thing. So we can put x is equal to, for example, let's just do an example. Okay, since we have a lot of this, we can do seizure rate. Okay, right here we got it. And what else? Since we need to put data, because since we are talking about the specific data we are talking about, so the data is the label. So to do so, we have to add a label to it. Or we just add the name to it. What do we call for this one? A PD read CBS. You do not have to put a label. It's just like a machine learning thing. But since we are doing it, just like want to know the graph, I'm going to show you. Let's see why it gives us error. Okay, we need to shift enter, shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. Okay, every time that it doesn't show up something, just do shift enter. 100% it's going to work. And sometimes if it doesn't and give you error, you need to check back and try to resolve it. What is wrong with it? So basically it will show you like this. We can just do another example. How to do so is just copy and paste right here. Just change the name. Where is in right here? Let's put age. Just compare the age. Shift enter. Shift enter since that is the easy way instead of doing this or this. Run the cell. This is the age. Let's just look over in the browse. Open browse. Going to show you this way. Let's make okay, right here is something cool about it. Let's say it's running a second ago. So we click here. So right here we saw two CBS. Right here we saw an image, the seizure rate. Right here we saw the subjects. And right here we saw is the ages. So 18 all the way to 42. We compare each patient basically, which we use from the CBS. So we can do like can add more to it. For example, right here, if I'm going to the browse, if I do not use graph, instead comparing, for example, anything from here. Let's see. Let me think about something. Let's make it short. Let's instead of doing this, we can see right here. Let's see. We can do like this MP. Let's see if it's going to do something. Source value. Sorry. Okay, right here we need to first do an array. To do so, we need to change right here the CVS. Just copy, paste right here instead of doing something like what we want to compare, what we want to make it let's do the seizure rate. Okay, right here. Okay, right now we do new command copy. Set right here. Shift enter. No error. So this one it have to be blank because we're just defining. So if we type right here, it'll go to show you something else. It will show you only the seizure, how many member it is. If we define right here, okay, we need to put dot head. Right here it will show you 9 since we said 10, so it will show you only 10. If we do 11, it will show you 10. How many seizure rate? So we can keep going. Instead, right here we forgot to put the array. We want to see the array instead of this. Let's see. Okay, we spelled it wrong. We forgot one R. This NP. We take out the array, the head. Look, this is much better format. So that is two different ways to do it. If you want array, this way. This way we can do it. So we can keep going. How about let's do a plot. Build dot axis. And we need to write the name right here. This is the name. Since we define it, this is the NP array. To do NP is NumPy. Sorry if I say NumPy, but it's num. So basically, it will show you like this. This is the perfect way to read it. Okay, if we want to see it right here, you cannot see it. We just need to click right here, save, overwrite it. Then it's going to show you right here. This is a good way to display chart. So that is going to be it. I hope you guys check out my YouTube channel and just check out for new video. It's going to be every week, new video of me showing you how to program. I'm going to show you how to program is using Python, Jupyter Notebook, which is kind of Python, and C++. And also would show you how to do Java. If you guys want me to show you what kind of project to show you, just write in the comment, and hope you subscribe and like this video.